By the end of this video, you will know how to create a statement for a customer in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening the Sales menu in QuickBooks Online, then select Customers. This takes you to the customer list, where you can work with individual customer records and related activity. From here, select the customer you want to create a statement for. Make sure you choose the correct customer before moving forward, since the statement will be created from that customer profile. Once you are inside the customer record, open the Statements tab. This section is where QuickBooks Online stores statement-related options for that customer. After opening the tab, click Create Statement to begin setting up the document. QuickBooks Online will then show the statement settings. Here, choose the statement date first. This date controls when the statement is issued, so use the date that fits the period you want the customer to review. Next, choose the statement type. The type you select affects how the statement is organized, so review the available option shown on screen and select the one that matches the statement you need to send or save. After that, set the start date and the end date. These dates define the range of transactions that will appear on the statement. Make sure the date range matches the period you intend to include. If the range is too broad or too narrow, the customer may see items that do not belong on that statement. Before continuing, verify that the customer is selected under Recipients. This is an important check, especially if you are moving quickly between records. The statement should be addressed to the correct customer before you print, preview, save, or send anything. If you want to review the statement before finalizing it, click Print or Preview. This gives you a chance to look over the statement and confirm that the dates, transaction range, and recipient are correct. If anything looks off, return to the statement settings and adjust the details before moving on. When everything looks right, click Save and send to email the statement directly from QuickBooks Online. If you do not want to send it yet, click the drop-down next to that option and choose Save instead. That will keep the statement saved without sending it by email. This gives you two clear ways to finish, depending on whether you are ready to deliver the statement now or just keep it on file for later use. In either case, the process starts from the customer record and ends with the statement reviewed and finalized according to the dates and type you selected. Your customer statement in QuickBooks Online is now created, and it has been either saved or sent by email.